Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 990. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common issue, the Conga 990 isn't working properly during cleaning. This can happen due to a faulty motor, which may struggle to maintain suction or effectively operate the brushes. If left unresolved, you could face more significant damage or even complete failure of the device, leading to more costly repairs down the line. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some tweezers, and a replacement motor for the Conga 990. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully turn the Conga 990 upside down. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the bottom cover. Be sure to keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry off the cover using your flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips or tabs. With the cover removed, locate the motor assembly. This is typically situated near the center of the device, connected to the brush rollers. You may notice some wires connected to the motor. Make a note of their positions for reassembly later. To extract the motor, carefully disconnect the wires using your tweezers, ensuring you don't pull on the wires themselves. After disconnecting the wires, remove any screws holding the motor in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver again, applying gentle force to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, you can lift the motor out of the compartment. Take your replacement motor and place it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring it is tightly fitted. Reconnect the wires as per your notes, ensuring they are securely attached to avoid any electrical issues. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully replace the bottom cover of the Conga 990, aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, to avoid damaging the plastic. Finally, turn your device back upright and plug it in. Test the motor to ensure it's functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations on completing the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly clean the brushes and filters of your Conga 990, as debris can lead to motor strain. Additionally, avoid overfilling the dust container to ensure uninterrupted airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.